Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the 10 steps to start a successful online business from scratch. Starting an online business can be a daunting task, but with these steps, you can launch a profitable business that aligns with your passion. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step to starting a successful online business is to choose a niche that aligns with your passion and expertise. Identify the area of business you want to focus on and research the demand for it. Step 2. Conduct market research. Once you've identified your niche, conduct market research to understand your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. This will help you determine if there is a market for your business and what strategies your competitors are using. Step 3. Create a business plan. Develop a business plan outlining your goals, strategies, budget, marketing plan, and revenue projections. Your business plan will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you stay focused on your goals. Step 4. Build a website. Build a visually appealing and user-friendly website optimized for search engines. Your website should be easy to navigate and provide visitors with valuable information about your business. Step 5. Develop your brand. Create a brand that reflects your values and personality, and use it consistently across all online platforms. Your brand should be memorable and appeal to your target audience. Step 6. Create valuable content. Create content that is informative, engaging, and optimized for search engines. Your content should educate, entertain, or inspire your audience and position you as an authority in your niche. Step 7. Build an audience. Use social media, email marketing, and SEO to attract and engage your audience. Offer free resources such as ebooks, webinars, or discounts to encourage visitors to sign up for your email list. Step 8. Monetize your business. Choose a monetization strategy that aligns with your niche, such as selling products, offering services, or advertising. Your monetization strategy should be scalable and allow you to generate a sustainable income. Step 9. Evaluate and optimize. Regularly analyze your metrics and use data to make informed decisions and optimize your business strategies. This will help you identify what works and what doesn't, and make changes accordingly. Step 10. Keep learning. Stay up to date with industry trends and invest in your education to stay ahead of the competition. Attend conferences, join online communities, and invest in your education to continue growing your business. So, there you have it. 10 steps to start a successful online business from scratch. Remember to choose a niche that aligns with your passion, conduct market research, create a business plan, build a website, develop your brand, create valuable content, build an audience, monetize your business, evaluate and optimize, and keep learning. With these steps, you can launch a successful online business that aligns with your passion and generates a sustainable income. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.